everybody, it's Rolling with Reed, and today I'm going to show you how to get, if you're looking to do golf, how to get a good swing. So, number one, you want to set, it depends on what club, but if you have like an iron, you want to have it in the middle with your feet shoulder width apart. So then, once you got that, you're going to want to slowly take it back to where almost it's straight along my back, but it's not touching my neck. And then you want to go slow, because that's how you generate your power to when you go through. So when you go through, start with your hips leading, and that will close the club face a little bit. And then you want to come out here and then finish like you did for your first one, like going back. And then after you did, you want to kind of, your back foot, if you're lefty or righty, your back foot, it's going to come up. You want it to come up and like squashing a bug with your toe, where you like just stomp on it with your toe. And you want that to keep your balance like that. So now I have my net, which I have a net and a mat, which you can buy maybe $70 at most. Yeah. So I'll show you a couple. So first, setting up with the ball and your club, and then you kind of wanna, what I tend to do is I tend to lean back. So what you kind of want to do is lean forward if you're leaning back, and then kind of have the shaft kind of be over the ball, and then you'll just like lean forward so you're not falling back, and then kind of like blocking it to the right. So you just kind of, and then that's also with the hip, starting with the hips. It kind of helps you get into your motion, so it doesn't like, you don't like open up. It keeps your club face closed when you're done. So I'm gonna show you a few. I'm aiming for the middle of the target, and this costs about $70. So I'm gonna make sure I'm parallel, and then you can go slow and then stop, or go slow and then just drive with your hips. So if you're like beginning, then I would kind of stop and go slow, and then kind of like go fast and kind of in like go and then stop and then drive your hips fast. If that works better for you. But if you're like already gotten into it and you just want to fix your swing, then I would just go slow and then drive your hips forward. And then if you're chunking it in turf or in the rough, then on this, I would kind of, if you're chunking it, I would kind of put your club face up kind of above the grass and then just hit down on it so it gets up instead of just line drives. so I can show you that. So, making sure that I'm shoulder width apart. So I have my club face a little bit above the ball. I drive my hips. And then, if you have a net like mine, you just want to hit the center of it. So you're not, I mean, there's targets, but what I would do for your irons, or like your driver and that stuff, is I would just try to aim for the target, or just aim for the middle of the net. And sometimes it might be windy where you live, so I would flip it over, and it kind of like sticks. So I'll hit a few more. And that's the sound that you want. I don't know if you heard that, but it's like a loud like clink noise, and that's the sound that you want. It tells you that you hit it solid and you didn't hit behind it. You just hit the golf ball. So that's really where you want to hit it. Is you want to hit it kind of in the middle of the face. And then same with your other like sand wedges or your sand wedge. You want to kind of go L to L, and let's say when I start my hips forward and you come up through, I should be able, or whoever you're with should be able to like kind of high five the club face. But remember, you still want that power, and you don't want to like kind of fall back. Um, um, and it will tear up your lawn, kind of, the net, or the mat, just because it lays down, and some people have different grass. So I would seed it and water it, a couple times. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show y'all today. Just how to fix your swing, and remember, leave a like, subscribe, helps me a lot. Turn on notifications so you know when I get uploaded, or when I upload. And yeah, rolling with Reed, rolling out. Have a great day.